everybody, Creative Crafts here, and it's Kathy. Today's going to be tip of the day is what do you do with a plain frame? This is a glass frame. This is my wedding picture almost 19 years ago. And I want to have it match with my decoration in the entrance hall where people come in. I want to put this there. And I want to have it match with the decorations that I already had made for that room. So now I'm going to add these little diamonds to it. Very simple, quick, and it comes out beautiful. It's very easy. Like I said before, you can buy these in a big roll, small rolls. It all depends on what you want. I bought this in the bulk. And I can tell you, it goes a long way. I paid $11, I think, for this, and it's awesome. So what I did is I'm going to put it exactly like this. Is there 6 rows of the diamonds only? So, and you gotta cut off all this extra stuff. Cut it right off, and then you just glue it. And then make sure it's right at the end. There you go. I think that looks so much better like this. So what I want to do is I want to stick some of these things here in the corner only. So I'm just going to stick a little glue here. And then I'm going to stick this here. No. You don't want to make a mistake like that. And just go like this. I got some string on it. Don't want to put too much, just a little bit. And now we're done. That looks awesome. So much better than before. And then we're done. Just try to get off that string. Comes off easy after a while. The only thing I don't like about it, let's get a towel. There you go. Simple, fast, cheap to make. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you've been here before, glad you can make it again. And if this is your first time seeing my videos, please subscribe on the button below, and that little bell on the side, press that if you want to know when my next video comes out. And also, everything that I use on my videos, I put on the descriptions below. Everything is underneath there. I also put a link onto the things where I bought for Amazon. Most of the stuff I buy is usually from Amazon. Well, everyone, here's the finished look. These are the last few videos of the things you see on the side of it that I made to go match with my entrance hall. This is the picture. I think it looks awesome, and it matches everything very well. And that's the finished product.